In this clip today, I'll be washing and chopping the celery. So I've got a nice large stalk of celery. Let's start by washing it off. You can see there's some dirt here and just some buildup on the stalks of the celery. So I'm just gonna wash it and make sure I get all of that off. And I'm gonna need about 1 cup of celery, so that might call for 4 or 5 stalks. So I'll just rinse them and make sure they're clean. So to chop the celery, I'm going to start by cutting the white end of the celery off. And that part can just tend to not have as much flavor as the rest of the parts. And I'm going to keep the leafy parts of the celery on because that's where a lot of the nutrients are held in the celery stalk. The celery has a lot of vitamin C and fiber. It's also got a pretty solid amount of calcium. And the celery stalks are generally a light green color, and they should look fresh and be nice and crisp. And you can tell when you have a celery stalk, if it's starting to wilt at all, then you want to really try and get something that looks firm and crispy. So I'll start just by slicing the celery in half here. So I have a little bit of a smaller little bit smaller pieces to work with.